Ginger walnut tube cake. Ingredients: 1 cup packed brown sugar, 1 cup hot brewed coffee, 1 cup canola oil, 1 cup light molasses, 1/4 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, room temperature, 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoons ground ginger, 2 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup chopped walnuts, toasted, 1/4 cup chopped crystallized ginger. Glaze: 2 cups confectioner's sugar, 2 teaspoons grated lemon zest, 3 to 4 tablespoons lemon juice, additional chopped crystallized ginger. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour at 10 inches. Fluted tube pan. In a large bowl, beat brown sugar, coffee, oil, molasses, and sour cream. Add eggs, beat until well blended. In another bowl, whisk flour, ground ginger, baking soda, cinnamon and salt, gradually beat into molasses mixture. Stir in walnuts and crystallized ginger. Transfer batter to prepared pan. Bake until a toothpick inserted in center comes out clean, 40 to 50 minutes. Cool in pan 10 minutes before removing to a wire rack to cool completely. For glaze, in a small bowl, mix confectioner's sugar, lemon zest and enough lemon juice to reach a drizzling consistency. Drizzle over cake, sprinkle with additional crystallized ginger.